So welcome back to the YouTube channel, and tonight I'll be giving you guys a very quick update about Brianna lyston. So recently, a very sad news about Brianna lyston broke the entire internet, and it was literally about Brianna lyston running for the United States of America. Yes, a news recently broke out that Brianna lyston will no longer represent Jamaica. And guess what happened? Brianna lyston has finally responded to the people that spread the rumor and the fake news about she no longer going to represent Jamaica and she is now going to represent USA. Brianna lyston saw all the rumor, all the fake news about her representing USA, and she finally replied back to those people spreading those rumors. And in this video, what I will be doing is explaining every single detail about what Brianna lyston has to say about the whole situation. So Brianna lyston, after seeing the whole situation, went on her Instagram account and she posted a message to all her Jamaican fans. She posted a picture of her holding a Jamaican flag at her back, and she said to the people saying that she is now going to represent USA, saying, "Get a grip, get a grip." That was the message, and this simply means that she is definitely not going to run for USA. Definitely she will continue running for Jamaica as her pride, as her nation. Yes, because by holding the flag and posting it just when the rumor went viral, it means that Brianna lyston is still going to be running for the for Jamaica, for Jamaica as a nation, not USA. Yes, and that was the message. Let me hear your opinions.